Hi guys, I thought I would do a little vlogging today. I know December is Vlogmas, which we all know I wasn't going to be able to do that every day. So I thought I'd give you a little update, show you guys our date night, and let you know I have a home tour with a collaboration with a couple really lovely ladies and this great guy. So I wanted to kind of tell you, you guys see I'm in my bedroom. Um just relaxing. Let's get this out of the way. So, I was trying to finish up my Christmas decorations outside. Put our lights up. I fell. I fractured 3 bones in my wrist pretty bad and bruised and have contusions all down my left side. I'm really blessed that I didn't do more damage than what could have happened. Because of the way I fell on the porch. I was on one of those two stair ladders that you use a lot of times in your home. And so I'll just put this out there. If you haven't done any decorating where you need to do high, please be careful. Make sure you have someone holding your ladders. Make sure it's stable, because I never thought that was going to happen. It happened, like I said, last Sunday. Was in the emergency room for like 7 hours. I have a cast on and I cannot drive. I can't work for 6 weeks. So I am stuck in the house. I'm still having a lot of pain with the whole left side being bruised, my ribs bruised, my hip, my thigh. It's just not good. So, but I had some clips from the night before, which we had a wonderful time when we went downtown Detroit and saw the Christmas tree down there. So I thought I would get that out there for you. And then, like I said, tomorrow I will have my home tour. I don't think we're going to have the decorate with me like I planned, just because I'm pretty challenged on what I'll be able to show you guys. But I still plan on bringing you some content. Maybe if we go out and check out Christmas lights, I'll take you guys with me. I'm actually getting ready to do Christmas cards. Real life here. Messy room. That's what I got going on. Over there's my tree. My little tree for the bedroom. But, so I just thought I would share this with you guys, kind of let you know what's going on, why I wasn't missing in action once again. You know, December is not my month. It's coming up a year when I was attacked by the dog. Yeah, I just don't know. You know, but we're going to stay positive, because my birthday is this month, Christmas is this month, a lot of good things, you know, and we're just gonna keep on moving. That's what we're gonna try to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Okay? Be kind to one another, love one another. Bye. So before we head on downtown to go see the Christmas tree, we always, when we come downtown, we always like to go to these little markets. They're Mexican markets, and they have some of the best meat, and it's seasoned so well. So I just thought I'd show you a little bit. So this is one of them. I should have videotaped. The other one is where we get all our meat. This, we get salsa here, but they have a lot of Mexican items that we can't typically get in our Kroger's by us. So now we are stopping at Green Dot Stables. Yep. And they have the best little sliders, all different kinds. It's just a little bitty place. It's been here in Detroit for a very long time, and just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with us. So this is what it looks like. This is just a little, it's so tiny, but we're gonna be waiting. So babe, how was your meal?
Yep, it was good. It was good.
Really?
It was good.
Apparently it was good. Well, sorry I didn't get to film anything in there. It was quite loud, and it's a very small place. It's a bunch of small sliders, and I am boring. So I got the cheeseburger, the Philly, and a grilled cheese. David, what'd you get?
I got the Cuban. I got the fish sandwich, the hot chicken, and I got a regular cheeseburger.
Oh,
but you got poutine fries.
We did get poutine fries, and that was so yummy. And he got Cajun, and they're just small portions, so it's really nice. And then we got regular fries. So
it's a bunch of bites.
Now on to the Christmas tree. Okay, so now we're walking. See the big red kettle? I'm so excited.
I hate doing that to people's shows. Walking and walking.
So we're in the thick of things. It's pretty crowded, but it's so pretty. They have carriage rides that you can take, which I think we may pass on that this time. There's ice skating.
Contact Buzz you can get if you want it.
Don't say that, Jones. You hear him? He's always got to say the bad stuff. Alright, so we're gonna get some hot chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Or am I getting it?
You're getting that job.
David thinks
I already
I'm
had
crazy.
my coffee.
From 7-Eleven.
Hey, I now stand in line to get it, and I've already got my caffeine buzz going. See? Choices.
And I refused. I wanted to stand in this long line to get the hot chocolate. That's probably going to be very mediocre. If
Oh, no, no. You're going to tell me it's...
What was that face, Jones?
Huh?
Oh, I'm recording.
Yeah.
Okay. So look at, we got letters to Santa. How cute is that? And you really can put letters in there. Okay guys, we're heading back to the car. Over there, that used to be the, I think that used to be the GM building. The ones that, with the orange lighting.
Buick now.
Buick now. There's, but this is really cool. This is a drive-in that they put down here in the middle of the downtown area, and you can literally go in and walk in and just watch. Did you have a good time?
It was awesome. It was real cool.
I had a good time. And I know this isn't necessarily David's cup of tea. He's the Halloween man, and I'm the Christmas elf. So he came out and had fun with me.
How can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, it's just calling me, holy snow.